Hey everybody, I wanted to take a minute, one, to thank every one of you for being a subscriber and a dedicated fan. And I look forward to providing more information and tutorials and how-to videos. Tonight, I wanted to reach out to you and try something a little new and ask a request. One is please take the time to join my personal Facebook page and send me a friend's request and follow my page as well. It's important that you do both, if you don't mind, because it helps me to pump out relevant information to you better based off of Facebook's algorithms. Now, if you look in the description down below, you'll see a link to my Facebook page. Just click on the link, send me a friend's request, and I will approve you. And also, I want to introduce you to my latest creation. This is one that I currently have going on as far for a drawing, although on Facebook we have to call them giveaways. But nonetheless, this is one that I have a little over 600 hours in, and I'm very proud of it, and it's very special cue to me. This one is Gabon Ebony with a curly maple forearm. So it has a Elfer and Ivory joint collar, Elfer and Ivory butt cap. Butt cap. And the wrap on it is a double pressed black linen with white speck. But this can be replaced for a leather wrap if you choose to do so. And the inlays on this one, there's a little over 100 and right at 170 or 180 inlays in this one. They consist of the Elfer and Ivory and Mother of Pearl and Pua shell. Now it's also 12 points, 6 high, 6 low, and it has a 3/810 modified joint, and it comes with one of my Elixir LD shafts. They're only $35 a spot, and it's a limited amount of spots. So if you would, and if you want to, send me a friend's request and look at my personal page, and you'll see where you can get spots for this particular queue. Now, once all the spots are full, I'll hold a live drawing to pick the winner. And I'll also put a link directly to that as well down below in the descriptions. But thank you for your time. I hope you like this one. Let me give you a close-up of it from front to back and see what you think here. I don't know how good the camera is going to do for us, but maybe you can get a good visual on that. But anyway, like I said, links are in the description below. Please take the time to send me a friend's request, if nothing else. And if you don't want to purchase a spot on this, it's okay. I understand. Mainly, I just want to be friends with you and gain the following. So I appreciate everything. Thank you for being a subscriber and hopefully a new friend on Facebook. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks a lot.